Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to discuss about NCERT Exercise 1.2. We will discuss all the solutions. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. The first question states that represent these numbers on the number line. Okay, there are two subparts of this question. I'll solve second part for you. First part you have to solve by yourself. Okay, so start with it. Second part, it is a negative rational number. Okay, again clearly compare numerator and denominator. You will find numerator is less than denominator. So definitely the value will lie in the region between 0 and -1. Clear? Okay, so the value will lie somewhere in between 0 and -1. Now look at the denominator, the value is 6. So what we have to do? We will divide this region into 6 equal parts. So count first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Done? Now next look at the numerator. The value is 5. It means fifth line from 0. So count first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So here at this red line, -5 by 6 will be represented. Okay students, now second question, represent -2 by 11, -5 by 11 and -9 by 11. As we will compare the numerators and denominators of all the three rational numbers, you will find that numerator is less than denominator in each case. Okay, it means again we will have our region between 0 and -1, as all the three rational numbers are negative. Clear? Now look at the denominator. The value is 11. So the region between 0 and -1 will be divided into how many equal parts? 11. Very good. So count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? Now it is easy to represent the numbers. Look at the first number. Numerator is 2. Means second line from 0. Here, fifth line from 0. Ninth line from 0. Clear? Like this, we will represent all the rational numbers on a single number line. Now, third question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. I have discussed this question already in my last video. Please take the reference of that video. Fourth question. Find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay. So, the first step is we will take LCM. So, LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Now, we have to make the numerator same for both the rational numbers. So, do it. -2 by 5 into 2 by 2. It will give us -4 by 10. And for 1 by 2, it will give us 5 by 10. Clear? Now, between these two rational numbers, we will get only 8 integers. Because -4 to 5, there will be only 8 integers. So, again, this will not solve our purpose. So, we will move to second step. Again, we will take this as a new rational number and we will perform the multiplication. So, here I am using an integer to multiply -4 by 10 by 2 by 2. It will give me -8 by 20. And on multiplication of 5 by 10 by 2 by 2, it will give me 10 by 20. Okay. Now clearly I have so many integers ranging from -8 to 10. So my 10 rational numbers can be any number in between -8 to 10. Such numbers are -7 by 20, -6 by 20, -5 by 20 up to 2 by 20. Okay. Like this you have to solve. You can solve. It is not necessary only 10 rational numbers are asked. If I ask 15 rational numbers, then the steps will remain same. Okay. Fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between In this question, there are 3 subparts. I will discuss only second subpart and remaining first and third question to be done by yourself. Okay. So let's start the solution. The denominators are 2 and 3. So take LCM of 2 and 3. It will give you 6. Now make the denominator same for both the rational numbers. So minus 3 by 2 will be multiplied by 3 by 3, which will give you minus 9 by 6, and 5 by 3 will be multiplied by 2 by 2, it will give you 10 by 6. Okay. Now we will get so many rational numbers ranging from minus 9 to 10 because we need to calculate only 5 rational numbers. So this will solve our purpose. Okay. So the 5 rational numbers can be minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 1. Here minus 1 I have returned to minus 6 by 6. On simplification it will give us minus 1. Minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6 and so on. Clear children? Sixth question. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Again you will get infinite numbers which are greater than minus 2. Such numbers can be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We are asked up to 5 rational number. So we will end the solution here only. Okay. Then move to last question of exercise 1.2. In this question you have to find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Again follow the same method. Take LCM of the denominators, that are 5 and 4. You will get the LCM as 20. Make the denominators same for both the rational numbers. So we will multiply the first rational number by 4 by 4, sorry. It will give you 12 by 20. 3 by 4 into 5 by 5 will give you 15 by 20. Okay. The integer range between 12 and 15 will give you 13 and 14. Only 2 rational numbers. So again this will not solve our purpose because we need to calculate 10 rational numbers. We will move to next level of multiplication. So new rational number will be taken, that is 12 by 20. It will be multiplied by 4 by 4. Now there will be a question in your mind, why we directly jump to 4? We can start with 2, 3. Yes, you have to start with 2 and 3. Because when you multiply it by 2, you will get 24 and 15 into 2, you will get 30. Okay. So 24 to 30. How many rational number you will get? Only 5. Because but we want to calculate 10 rational numbers. So again 2 will not solve the purpose. Same. 3 will also not solve the purpose. So that's why we jump to 4. Clear children? Now you will get a vast range here between 48 to 60. Okay. So the required rational numbers will be 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, up to 58 by 80. Clear? Okay. So we have completed our first chapter, rational number. Okay. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss some of the additional questions. Thank you.